Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you what I did that day you say in the photo. That day, my family and I went out because we were bored at my aunt's house in Boston, Medellin, where we stayed for a while. We decided to take a walk downtown. We walked down to the center and ended up on Avenida Oriental. There, my parents stopped to look at some things in the Plaza de San Antonio. Afterward, we continued walking through the plaza and along Union Street. We ate some buñuelos and then decided to go to Plaza Botero, where the photo was taken. We stayed for a while because we wanted to into the Museo de Antioquia, but it wasn't free that day and we didn't have the money for admission, so we kept walking and went back to my aunt's house. Thanks for watching.